Hey folks, welcome to the Rod Elmore Show. I'm so excited to share with you something I picked up today. I picked up a new pressure cooker. Yes sir, yes sir. This is the Simfonio. Check out that display screen. 4.5 inches. That's right. That is a big display screen. I don't think I've seen a pressure cooker with that big of a display screen. But let me show you what it comes with. Whew. Comes with your standard rice scooper, and there's a little measuring cup in there as well. It also comes with these cool little mittens to grab it when it's hot. You gotta grab this and pick it up when it's hot. They also make cool lobster hands. Oh, I know, right? Steamer basket. This is a nice little thing. I mean, it's actually pretty deep, so you can put quite a few veggies in there if you want to steam. Yes, sir. Man, this is exciting. It's like Christmas. Oh, check it out. It also comes with 2 sealing rings. Yes. So when this one gets old, crusty, cracking, I got another sealing ring right here. That's right. Anywho, I just wanted to share with you the new pressure cooker that I picked up, and I'm gonna cook something in this thing. So you might want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you are notified every time I upload a video. Who knows? You might like what you see. Yes, I'll put the link in the description if you want to read more up on this thing. But right now, I think I'm excited and happy for this. So stay tuned. I'm going to be cooking using this pressure cooker. You don't want to miss that. So subscribe, hit that bell so you are notified every single time I upload a video. Once again, welcome to the Rod Elmore Show. I will see you on my next video. Oh wait, you'll see me on my next video. Peace!